Nancy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I brought to you this gorgeous look for Valentine's Day. So I know guys, I told you guys that I was gonna bring to you a red Valentine's Day look. Yeah, as you can tell, it didn't turn out too well. I really thought that this was gonna turn out a lot redder than what it looks right now, but it's definitely not red. You'll see later on what happens. I didn't mean for it to come out pink, but I'm just so drawn to the pinks and the naturalish colors that, you know, it's just so hard for me not to create something that's pink or natural. So please forgive me. Hopefully next time it turns out better if I do happen to come out with another Valentine's Day look, hopefully. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you should definitely click that subscribe button so you can go ahead and see more of these videos and see if I actually make another Valentine's Day video for you guys. As you can tell, I'm like really in the Valentine's Day spirit. I absolutely love Valentine's Day. If you want to go ahead and find out how I got this gorgeous look, then you should definitely keep watching. So I did want to go ahead and do like a little first impressions on Huda Beauty. So I was actually at Sephora and I actually saw like their section, the Huda Beauty section, and I was like, oh my god, like I had never seen their stuff. I really thought that it was only online, but I happened to, you know, come across it in Sephora and I was like, yes, let me check them out. I think Huda Beauty is freaking amazing, to be honest. I was like swatching her lip colors and stuff and I like them. I didn't purchase any, maybe in the future I will. I came across this tiny palette and I've seen these little palettes going around in the beauty world and I was like, I definitely want to get my hands on at least one because I know she came out with a different obsession kind. So I got the Mauve Obsession. So this is what it looks like. And I already used it, as you can tell, but this is a freaking gorgeous palette, guys. The colors are just gorgeous. Like, I love it. Like, I created this. It looks freaking amazing. My first impressions whenever I actually saw this palette was, whoa, it's tiny. This is really it. That's really what I've been seeing, because whenever you hold it up, like whenever people hold it up on camera, like it literally looks huge, but whenever you have it in person, it's tiny. Like, it's super tiny. Once I saw the colors, I was like, well, it's definitely worth it because the color squares aren't that small. In all honesty, you're not gonna go through all these colors in, you know, 3 months. This is probably gonna last you about a whole year or more if you actually use it consistently. So I was like, $27 is a good price for the colors because there's 9 colors, and I was like, all right, I guess. $27, 9 colors, that's good. So whenever I actually put these colors to work, guys, oh my god, they're so pigmented and beautiful. They're just so pigmented. I absolutely love Huda Beauty. Like, I'm obsessed right now. I literally think I'm gonna go buy all the other ones of these little Obsessions palettes, and I'm actually thinking about buying one of her bigger palettes because I absolutely love. I just wanted to give you guys my little first impressions on the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the tutorial. Today I'm gonna be doing the red Valentine's Day look that I promised you guys, and this palette has lots of red colors, so I'm looking forward to doing it. Look, oh my god, look at how gorgeous this palette is, guys. No more pink colors for Valentine's. I'm gonna try and do a red one. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color right here in the middle, and I'm gonna be using a Real Techniques. This is a deluxe crease brush. Ooh. So I can see better. The next color that I'm going to be going in with is this beautiful red shade right here, and I'm just going to place that on top of that color. Hopefully it doesn't turn out looking pink, because I've noticed that like a lot of red colors turn out looking pink and they don't really keep their color. Wow, so this is really pigmented, guys. I'd say that it really is true to color. You can't really tell, like on camera, it looks a little bit, it looks a little bit pinkish on camera, but in person, it does definitely look a little bit more plumish. The next color that I'm gonna be using is this color right here, and I'm gonna put this in the outer corner of my eye. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and extend this color right here, and I'm just gonna extend it towards the crease as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this red color right here and I'm gonna put it in the under eye, and then I'm gonna connect this outer corner of the eye with the under eye so it can look just pretty much connected together. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna do a half cut crease. So what I think I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to try and do like a little ombre effect. I'm going to start off with this white color right here, and I'm going to place it in this inner part of the eye. And I'm going to be using a little sponge. Let's see how it works. I don't know. I don't even know why I have this, but I do. So then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm gonna place it wherever we didn't put that white. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same brush, just the other side that I didn't actually put any product on. So I'm just gonna be going back and forth with these two colors until it looks blended out. Lately, my makeup videos have been on point. Like I've been like, I have no clue what I'm gonna do, but I absolutely just end up loving the outcome. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out these two colors together and we are pretty much done. One last thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna deepen up this part right here just a tad bit more. So I'm gonna be going in with this color right here. So to give it a pop of glitter, since this eye is super matte, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. And I'm going to be placing the glitter wherever we cut the crease. I'm going to be applying it like really thin. I don't want like a thick layer of glitter. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other eye off of camera and I'll be right back. Oh hey, I didn't even realize you were there. I'm totally kidding. I am back guys. I finished the other eye of camera and I also put my lashes on, my falsies. If you're interested in what types of lashes these are, I'll go ahead and have them down below in the description, and I also have a discount code with them, so check that out. And finally, to finish off the look, I just need the lipstick. So honestly, it turned out being a little bit pinkier than I wanted it to. I literally wanted this to be a red, but altogether it does look like a pink shadow. But we're just gonna have to roll with it guys. And lastly, the color that I'm going to use is this other NYX Liquid Nude lipstick. This one is in the color Soft Spoken, or you can go more on the natural side, so it can be like a really bright eye and then just like, you know, natural lips. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see more. I really hope that you all enjoyed, and until next time.